Hi, my name is Dr. Pavan Soni. I'm an innovation evangelist, and through these series of demystifying design thinking, I would like to address some of the specific questions on the topic. Now, as a coach and consultant on design thinking, I've often been bombarded with lots of questions. And one of the key questions that I have been asked is that how is design thinking relevant to an Indian context? Now, we all understand that Indians are creative, right? From our deeds at ISRO to our common day improvisation, also known as Jugaad, we demonstrate our creative abilities. But where we lag by and large is our lack of discipline. We are not as disciplined as we should be when it comes to understanding the problem or very systematically generating various possible solutions. We have a tendency of quickly jumping onto answers when a problem is given, often trying to solve a wrong problem or operating at the level of symptoms. Similarly, when it comes to ideation, we tend to settle for the first few ideas instead of going deep into ideation and come up with something which is non-obvious. Through the twin methods of empathizing and prototyping and testing, what design thinking does is it brings a discipline to our otherwise chaotic way of thinking. So I strongly believe that if you go through the tenets of design thinking and if you embrace the tool sets, skill sets, and the mindset of design thinking, we as Indians can be next to none when it comes to the pursuit of creative problem solving. I'll be happy to take on your other questions. Do ask me as and when you have any doubts. If you have any other questions around design thinking, creativity, or innovation in general, feel free to add comments below.